Hello everyone, welcome back to our Excel training series. In this module, we will work upon real-world Amazon order dataset and learn powerful conditional functions that helps analyze your sales performance. Now let's get started. So this is our dataset. These are the orders, the date of the order date, the AC number, product name, category, number of units ordered, the item price per unit. The order amount is basically units order multiplied by item price. The target we have, the payment done through which method, and then the order status, that ship delivered or something. Now let's say I want to count the number of orders in the health category. So how will I put it? I'll say is equal to count if. Now there are two options. I have a COUNTIF as well as COUNTIF-S. So in the COUNTIF, you can put the single condition at a time, whereas in the COUNTIF-S, you can put the multiple conditions at a time. I'll select COUNTIF-S and say bracket open. So in the criteria range, I'll select the criteria in the category. So this is the range that I'll put and say comma this category as the criteria. So criteria range I put from where I want to select or filter a category, that's the category column, and then comma the value I want to select. I want to see for the health category. I'll say bracket close, I'll say enter. The total number of 2 orders that I have received in the health. Yeah. I'll say, let's say changes for electronics, and you will find this change as a 4. So there are 4 number of orders belongs to the electronics. Now let's say I want to understand the average unit got ordered for the electronics category. I'll say is equal to average if S. I'll select average range is the unit order I want to say. I'll select this range. I'll say comma. The next is the criteria range where I want to filter a category is the category column. Say comma, and then the range is this electronics. I'll say bracket close. I got 603 as the average units ordered. As soon as I'll check this out, I will have average as a 603. Fair? Now let's move next. Now I want to understand the total targets given for the electronics category. I'll say is equal to sum if S bracket open. I'll select the target as a column, say comma. I'll say criteria range, this category column, say comma, and then I'll select the category that I want to get the answer for or a target for. I'll say bracket close, enter. So I have a target of 12 lakh rupees for the electronics category. Now do the same for orders amount. So I have an order amount of 21 lakhs. Let's say I want to find out what is the achievement against it. I'll say is equal to my total sales or order value divided by targets and say enter. I got a 174% of the achievement. Let's say I'll go and change the category here from electronics to the home. My dashboard is refreshing. Yeah. I'll say to the sports. Yeah. It's 54% achievement. And let's say for the health, it's 50% achievement. So all the numbers are changing depends on the filter I'm changing. Yeah, great. What did we learn in today's session? So formulas are the backbones of the dynamic reporting. As soon as we change the input, the entire report gets dynamically updated. Thank you.